गोवा मायल्सान आपल्या ड्रायव्हरांक नॅशनल पेन्शन सेवा सुरू केल्या. त्या निमतान आयोजित कार्यावळीत मंत्री उलयलो.
Happening, and today we are a huge global village. We are connected with each other one way or the other, with so much of communication taking place to and fro. But you know the reasons. There are certain people who just refuse to accept this, but I call it a very temporary phenomenon. It is bound to be resolved. We expect to resolve that sooner than one actually expects. I am doing my best in that direction, but I am glad that irrespective of whatever shortcomings that have been there, whatever difficulties that have been there, Goa Miles has been growing. Today I think you got something like 5,000 plus taxis and people working for you. Their families are dependent on this, and you all must realize that actually you, आमचे सगळे टॅक्सी भाव आहात ते, तुम्ही खऱ्यांनी आमचे एम्बेसिडर कशे, दूत कशे देशाचे, गोंयचे and टुरिझमाचे. Some people think that by speaking very loudly, shouting, gathering, they can sort of force their will on others. This never happens. Ultimately, the right things will prevail. Congratulate Goa Miles and each one of you for having done this wonderful thing about the pension thing, Mr. Rahman particularly, and I hope you all will take cue, including Mr. Iyer as well, and Sumit, as to the policies of, if possible, integrate little bit of insurance in that, so people feel totally safe. And once they feel totally safe, they will give their 100%.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकळेकार.